How to apply icon from MTZ themes on Xiaomi devices without root. Apply permanently, and it won't reset to default. Easily change any icon pack you want on the system launcher. Let's find out how to do it in this video. I will be doing this on my Xiaomi device, which is running the global ROM version. First, open Settings and create Once Theme App, Backup Data. Uncheck All Selected. Only choose Theme App Data to create backup data. Waiting for backup complete. Open File Manager app, MIUI folder internal storage, backup all backup folder. With HyperOS 2.2, you need to extract the zip file. You got backup data folder. Download my backup file in video description. Move file to the path, MIUI backup al backup. Select latest folder. Move, then replace file here. Return backup and restore features in settings. Now select Restore tab. Choose latest backup data to restore. Before restoring, let's check the themes that are already available on the phone. This will not erase your data, so you can rest assured. Restore and waiting to complete. After restoring, you will see this new theme appear. This is the key component that allows you to apply any icons from MTZ themes. Now, apply this theme. After applying the Chinese theme, search for the MTZ themes whose icon packs you want to apply. For example, I will use this MTZ theme. Rename MTZ to zip file. Extract zip file. Open folder. You will see icon file, rename to zip file. Extract icon zip file. Inside this folder are all the icons from the MTZ theme. Now return internal storage. Open MIUI folder. Create new folder with name, DIY. Open DIY folder. Create new folder name, XGD. You need move all icon file into this folder. Go back to the folder where you extracted all the icons from the MTZ theme. Select all file, then move to MIUI DIY XGD folder. Exit File Manager, open Theme app. Go to Customize Theme. Lock Style, then Custom. Scroll down to option number 6. Choose SD option in this. Lock, then unlock to active icon. Now, the MIT's theme icons have been applied. This is a permanent application and will not reset to default. In case you don't see the icons change, select the option in section number 6 again. Open and reapply icon. The icons are not changing. Repeat this option, lock the screen, and then unlock it. Sometimes you may need to repeat the process a few times for the icons to change. Now, you can change wallpaper. In case you want to switch to an icon pack from a different MIT's theme, simply repeat the initial steps to extract the icons into a folder. After you have all the icon files, do not move them yet. Go back to the XGD folder and delete all the icons inside it. Then proceed to move the new icon set back into the XGD folder. This helps avoid duplicate icons from different icon sets. Now open Theme app, then customize theme to active new icon pack. If icon not change, apply default theme, then reapply a P99 theme. Return option number 6 to active icon again. Repeat the process one more time. Icon apply now. Change wallpaper. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.